Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make green pea powder. First, choose fresh, high-quality green peas. Next, you'll need to wash them thoroughly and blanch them in boiling water for about 2 minutes, then immediately cool them in ice water. This step helps retain their vibrant color and nutritional value. Finally, drain the peas well and ensure they are completely dry before moving to the next stage. Once blanched and dried, it's time to dehydrate your peas. You can use a food dehydrator set to around 135 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 hours, or until they are hard and crispy. If using an oven, set it to its lowest temperature, typically around 150 degrees Fahrenheit, and prop the door open slightly. This process removes all moisture, which is crucial for making a fine powder and ensuring a long shelf life. Now for the exciting part, turning your dried peas into powder. Use a spice grinder or a high-speed blender for this. Work in small batches to achieve the finest consistency. Blend until you have a smooth, flour-like powder. After grinding, sift the powder through a fine mesh strainer to catch any larger pieces. You can regrind these larger bits to ensure a uniform, silky powder. Proper storage is key to maintaining the freshness of your homemade green pea powder. Store it in an airtight container in a cool, dark place like your pantry. When stored correctly, it can last for 6 months to 1 year. This versatile powder is excellent for adding to smoothies, soups, or even baking. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your nutritious homemade pea powder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.